I would not recommend the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to most people, even though it is the best, most well-made flip phone from Samsung yet. Let's get the facts straight. The Flip 7 is easily a big improvement over the Flip 6. The flex screen on the outside is also significantly larger than its predecessor. But my problem with this screen is that most of the apps over here are not optimized for the screen. So even now, it feels like a reflection of what the phone can do when it's open and does not feel like a mini version of the phone. Camera hardware is largely the same as the Flip 6. The same capabilities are available in this phone as well. Of course, this is a little bit wider at the screen, so looking at everything is a little easier. If you're moving from a flagship, let's say like an S24 or an iPhone Pro Max, then you're going to miss the capabilities that those phones offer, because that kind of hardware packaging into this kind of a product is not possible right now, or at least the companies are not doing it. The battery is a big improvement over the Flip 6. That phone used to struggle to get through a workday under intense usage. In similar conditions, this phone is able to offer at least 2 to 3 hours more, but still struggles to get through a workday, which means if you're a regular user who uses the phone barely through the day, then a full day's charge is much easier than before. One of the impressive things about the Samsung Galaxy AI is its ability to clean up those pictures using AI, and that works very well and is among the best applications of the thing that we have seen so far. But point to be noted, Gemini AI is significantly better than Galaxy AI. If you were to compare the two, it would look like Gemini is running while Galaxy is still standing still. One interesting feature about this phone is that it allows you to use the phone as a desktop, as a computer. Practically also, it works for a short duration, after which the phone starts heating up wildly, so we just stop using that feature. The Flip 7 is available in two variants. One is a 256GB variant, which is this one. There is also a 512GB model. It starts from rupees 1.10 lakh and goes all the way up to rupees 1.22 lakh, which in our books still feels quite expensive for a phone that continues to feel a bit undercooked. Right now, I feel the best thing to do is to spend that money, maybe a little bit more money, and get the S25 Ultra, which is the best thing for an intense phone user. But if you want a phone that stands out from everything else, has the novelty factor of a flip, then I'm willing to suggest this. But at this price, I'm not sure how many of you will take me seriously. How many of you are looking forward to manufacturers making more phones like these? Because personally, if Samsung were to discontinue the Flip 7 tomorrow, then I, for one, would not be sad about it at all. Now, the Fold 7, on the other hand, is a more interesting phone in my perspective, and we'll be reviewing that soon.